Welcome to this Platform tutorial video. What's going on, everybody? This is Jai Gallo with Platform, and in today's video we're going to show you how you can manually delete a member. There are a lot of reasons why you would want to delete a member, and luckily Platform gives us the ability to do that and have the complete control within our membership site. Before I show you how to delete a member, I wanted to let you know that if you have any questions about how to delete members or anything else within inside of Platform, navigate to your support hub in your Platform Creator Dashboard account, and you can check out all of our FAQs. They're just drop-down menus, and you can check out the videos inside of them, or you can click Chat with Us, and you can talk to us direct through a private chat if we are online. If we're not online, go ahead and submit a ticket. Alternatively, you can click the Help Docs up top here, and it'll take you to our knowledge base where you can go more in depth on all the features that Platform has to offer for your business. If for some reason you have an online business and you do not have a Platform account, I suggest you go to platformarea.com and grab a free trial today and find out how it can benefit your online business. So now let's hammer out this video on how to delete members. Go to the Members tab in your navigation, and it'll bring up your list of members that you have either imported or manually added or onboarded. Today we're going to delete Alex Cobb out of our membership list. This member right here. The first way to delete a member is to click the red trash can icon, and it's going to ask you, hey, are you sure you want to do this? So I'm going to cancel that. The alternative way is you can select him and you can do a bulk action by just clicking this delete, and it's going to say the same thing. Hey, are you sure you want to delete this guy? So either one of those ways will work to delete any member out of your Platform list. If you delete a member, what will happen is that member will not have access to your membership site any longer. They will have to sign up for a new account. All data on that member will be wiped clean from your account. So use this feature wisely. So let's actually finalize deleting Alex Cobb out of this membership. We're going to go to the icon, click delete, and as you can see, he is gone from my members list. I'm going to refresh just to confirm that he's not here anymore. And if I try to log in with his previous login credentials, it will not work any longer. That is how easy it is to delete a member out of your membership site with Platform. If you have any questions on how to do this, or you have any questions on anything else, hit us up in chat. And until then, I will talk to you on the next video.